What you need is an onion, some castor oil, and rosemary oil. First things first, grate your onion. Here's the onion. Next, you need a cheesecloth to drain the juice. Squeeze it all out. Next, you take your rosemary oil. Add a bit of rosemary oil. And then add some castor oil. And then mix it all together. You can add more oils if you'd like. Now I'm going to show you how to apply it. Apply it to just your roots. Continue applying it to your roots. Continue until you've covered all your roots. Now, after you apply that hair treatment, massage it into your scalp. Massage it for as long as you like. Afterwards, and this is entirely optional, you can use oil at the ends of your hair. This is avocado oil, but you can use any oil that you'd like. Don't use too much of oil because it's going to be very difficult to wash out. I use this treatment once a week and I have seen fantastic results.